Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae. I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about checking those cards, because a lot of people have received their summer EBT cards, as well as I got an update for state regarding your summer EBT. We're going to talk about Florida and a whole lot more. So if you want to know what's going on in the lovely world of EBT, my darling, you've come to the right place. You already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below and you're in, just like that. So while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like, especially if you love me bringing this content to you. Now guys, you can try it out for free by clicking the link above or down in the description box. All right, so let's go ahead and head over to... All right, so before you guys get on me, I am here on military. You know, when I go disappearing, usually it's because I'm on military. But let's kick things off in summer EBT because Virginia, what up? All your summer EBT did arrive today, so I'm super excited. It was supposed to be pending for August 9th. I received so many emails that the summer EBT has arrived. Let's go ahead and move on to Minnesota because your cards should have arrived today, but the money is not expected to be posted on your account until August 22nd. And a lot of people said they received some type of message stating that as well with the link in it. I would not click that link, but from my understanding, it is legit. Let's go ahead and move on to New Mexico because they started sending out new cards as well. Those cards are going to be issued for school-age children between the ages of 5 and 18 who were active on SNAP, 10F, and Medicaid from July 1st of 2023 through August 1st of 2024. Not sure when the money is going to post, but your cards were supposed to be mailed out this week. We're going to go ahead and go over to Iowa, where more than 3,500 people have signed a petition urging Governor Reynolds to go ahead and direct state agencies to submit paperwork to participate in next year's federal assistance program for summer EBT as well. We know that Iowa was one of the 13 states that did not participate. And also they have where in Georgia, they're urging Governor Brian Kemp to go ahead and opt in summer EBT as well. So Representative Lucy McBeth, they led a letter from the state's members of Congress asking for more information about why the state will not be participating in summer EBT program for 2025. So they've been getting on Kemp's office about the decision that he made in July, and they're urging him to go ahead and change his mind and enroll the state in the program before August 15th, the registration deadline. So remember, Florida was supposed to enroll as well, and they're urging the state of Florida, but Florida said they will not participate in 2025. Tennessee said they will not participate in 2025 as well. Next, we're headed to Pennsylvania for summer EBT because the benefits right now for 2024 are going to be issued sometime between late August and September of 2024 for Pennsylvania. And they said some people can even receive their benefits by the end of October as well in Pennsylvania. So a lot of people right now are online. They're upset with Pennsylvania, like Shapiro, what is taking so long with the summer EBT? It won't even be summer EBT. At that point, it's going to be fall EBT, right? So a lot of people are upset. Drop your comments down below and let me know if you're still waiting on your summer EBT. But speaking of Pennsylvania, the Department of Military and Veteran Affairs is providing financial assistance for eligible children of veterans for higher education. So Pennsylvania wants to remind its residents of the Educational Gratuity Program, which will provide financial assistance for honorably discharged veterans who sustained service-connected disabilities of children of veterans who died in a service or during a period of war or armed conflict. So if any one of those apply to you and you have a child between the age of 16 and 23, they live in Pennsylvania, they have lived in Pennsylvania 5 years prior to the application, then you could get $500 per term, per semester, per qualified child to each approved educational institution for a term of 8 semesters or 8 terms. So they're going to give out $4,000. Remember, Indiana was giving out $500 for their veterans as well, which you must submit
by August 15th. So it looks like, hey, they're trying to come through with the vets. You know, your girl is in the military. Hey, this is one of those, 2 weeks out the year that I have to do and show up and fight the good old fight, but I am still posting these videos. So let's go ahead and head over to Colorado, where Colorado, Louisiana, and Washington have been selected to participate in a new pilot program. All right, so Colorado, Louisiana, baby, Washington State, they were chosen to test out the electronic Healthy Incentive Project, which is also going to be known as the Colorado SNAP Produce Bonus Program. Now, this will issue a credit equal to the amount that you are spent on fruits and vegetables on your EBT card. So it's kind of like the double the SNAP for the farmers market program, but just a little bit different. So you will be reimbursed up to $20 per transaction on eligible items, up to $60 per month. So there's like no daily, weekly limits on the number of transactions. But if you purchase eligible items and you visit these stores, then they will issue you up to $60 back on your EBT cards. So the $60 bonus balance, it starts over on the first day of each month. It will be available and the funds are available. So pretty much if you go to like just your regular grocery store, you don't have to go to the farmer's market now. You can buy fresh fruits, vegetables, as well as frozen fruits and vegetables without added salt, sugar, or fat. And you can still get your bonus for the farmers market as well with dry beans and all that. But depending on when you buy those things, it's going to somehow, I guess, like read your receipt and know that you purchased these things. And then you will get that money back on your cards next month or the following month as well, up to $60. So it's kind of another way to encourage you to go ahead and eat healthy, eat fresh. You could still do the farmers market double bucks as well. But hey, as of right now, they're trying to do this because a lot of people said, hey, there's not farmers markets in our area, but you do have a Walmart, a Target, or Dollar General. And so if you buy those items at those places and you're in Colorado, Louisiana, or Washington, you could possibly get some money back for it as well, up to $60 a month. So it's like a free 60. You know what I mean? All right, let's go ahead and move on to Ohio, where the Ohio Department of Job and Family Services said that SNAP recipients who experience food spoilage during the power outage as of Tuesday storms, you're eligible for replacement benefits. Any households that lost food or purchased with the SNAP benefits due to a power outage with at least 4 hours, you can apply for those replacement SNAP benefits equal to the total amount of food that you lost, as long as it doesn't exceed your monthly allotment as well. So you can go ahead and apply on there. I think Omaha had as well, where they were issuing out replacement benefits, or Nebraska as well, where they were issuing out replacement benefits. And then to apply, though, you do have to complete the JFS form 07222 within 10 days of the loss, and then submit that letter to your county Department of Job and Family Services. They will verify the power outage before replacing it. But like I said, Nebraska is doing it for their July 31st storms as well. In Florida, they are issuing replacement benefits as well in certain north central Florida counties who lost food due to Hurricane Debbie as well. You can apply for replacement benefits.
And this is what we have, guys. This is what's going on in SNAP and summer EBT. Let me know, are you still waiting for your summer EBT? I know a lot of people are upset because like Georgia and Texas, Alabama, a lot of states decided not to opt into the summer EBT. And it costs a lot of money to go ahead and raise these children nowadays, right? Comment all the things down below. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Definitely grab you some Amazon Prime. Like I said, Amazon Prime, if you do it my way, it is free for 30 days. Let me know down below, guys, what are you cooking for dinner tonight? Your girl is getting ready to run some errands. So yeah, let me know all the things and I will talk to you later, Gator. Bye, guys.